All right, Flying Mechanic here again, and we got a Hyundai Sonata with real bad misfire. This thing is running like crap. We got a flashing check engine light. Clunk, 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 clunk. Customer tried the classic seafoam. He said, I did the seafoam, the ignition coils, the spark plugs, and this thing's still running like crap. So looks like chances are maybe he's got something disconnected or hooked up wrong, disconnected. Or maybe he needs an engine. We're gonna have to do a compression test on this thing and see what happens. So no power. Sounds like crap. All right, got our codes scanned. A bunch of the monitors aren't set, so obviously we cleared the check engine light. This looks like what came back. We got a PO301 cylinder 1 misfire, PO302 cylinder 2 misfire, and PO300 random cylinder misfire. To gain access to these spark plugs, we're just going to pull this engine cover off. It's as simple as just giving it a tug. And yep, looks like we got all new ignition coils here. I guess we're going to have to check to see if they're plugged in right. What codes did we have again? All right, so we had cylinder 1 and 2. So the cylinders on this is going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1 and 2, looking at these connectors, they could definitely possibly be backwards. Let's try that first. So to disengage these clips, we just got to pop these back a little bit. And the hood just almost fell on my head. Guess he needs hood shocks. Oops. All right, these suckers unplugged. So it looks like this might actually be the right way. Let's see if the hood falls on my head again. All right. Put our clip back in here. Oh, yeah, there goes the hood again. Okay, let's go fire it up. And there goes the hood. Okay, in the moment of truth. Let's get it fired up here. Wow, what do you know? That fixed it. Yep, I did it. Thanks for watching the Flat Rate Mechanic. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe and check out my new merch store. We got a shelf underneath with all our products. Thanks. All right, so we didn't have to perform a compression test on this Hyundai, but if you would like to know how to do that, I do have another video here. You should go check out.